Hello children. In previous class we had learnt how to write the chemical formula of chemical compounds. In today's class we will learn how to calculate what is molecular mass and formula unit mass, and also we will learn how to calculate the formula mass and formula unit mass of a compound. Okay, first we will see molecular mass. Children, molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of the substance. Children, see here, molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of the substance, and this molecular mass is expressed in atomic mass unit, and it is symbolized as small u. Okay, molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of the substance, and it is expressed in atomic mass unit. Now we will see how to calculate the molecular mass with examples. Examples for the calculation of molecular mass of chemical compounds. See here children, we have to calculate the molecular mass of water. Okay, see here, we know that chemical formula of water is H2O. Okay, first to calculate the molecular mass, we should know the atomic masses of each element of a compound. So, while calculating the molecular mass of water, we should know the atomic mass of hydrogen and oxygen. So, atomic mass of hydrogen element is 1 atomic mass unit, and that of atomic mass of oxygen is 16 atomic mass unit. Okay, so now we know the atomic mass of both hydrogen and oxygen. Now we can calculate the molecular mass of water is equals to 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. Children, while calculate the molecular mass of any compound, we have to consider the number of atoms present in a particular compound. Okay, we have to multiply the number of atoms present in a molecule with the atomic mass of that particular element. In this case, here 2 hydrogen atoms are there in water. So 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen. Here atomic mass of hydrogen is multiplied by 2 because in water molecule 2 hydrogen atoms are present. Okay. Similarly, here only 1 oxygen atom is present. Therefore, atomic mass of oxygen is multiplied by 1. And we have to, after that, we have to add these two values. Okay. See here, 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Okay. Plus number of oxygen atom 1, whereas its atomic mass is 16. Okay. So 2 plus 16 is equals to 18 atomic mass unit. This is the molecular mass of water. Like this, we have to calculate the molecular mass of a particular compound. First we have to multiply the number of atoms of a particular element in a compound with the respective atomic masses of the element. Okay. After that, we have to we have to add all the values so that we'll get the molecular mass of hydrogen particular compound. We will see one more example. Now we will calculate the molecular mass of this nitric acid. HNO3 is the chemical formula of nitric acid. We have to calculate the molecular mass of this nitric acid. Children, already we know that atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Okay. And atomic mass of this oxygen is 16 atomic mass unit, whereas that of nitrogen is atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 atomic mass unit. Actually, its atomic number is 7. Always the atomic mass is double the atomic number. It is easy way to remember the atomic mass. If you know atomic number, you can say the atomic mass. Almost it is double the atomic mass is double the atomic number. Okay. So atomic mass of this nitrogen is 14 atomic mass unit. So now we will calculate the molecular mass of nitric acid. Molecular mass of nitric acid. See here, how many hydrogen atoms are there in nitric acid? Only one hydrogen is there. 1 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus how many nitrogen atoms are there? 1. So again 1 into atomic mass of nitrogen plus how many oxygen atoms are there? 3 oxygen atoms are there. So 3 into atomic mass of oxygen. Okay. Now we will substitute the values. 1 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 plus number of nitrogen atom 1 and that of atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 and number of oxygen atoms 3 into atomic mass of this oxygen is 16. Okay. So we'll get 1 plus 14 plus 48. This is equals to 63 atomic mass unit. This is the atomic mass unit. This is the molecular mass of nitric acid. Like this we have to calculate the molecular mass of a particular compound. To calculate the molecular mass of a particular compound, we should know the atomic masses of the elements of a particular compound. Children, try to remember the atomic mass of these elements, that is hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, chlorine. Okay, atomic mass of this hydrogen is 1 atomic mass unit, whereas this oxygen is 16 atomic mass unit, and that of carbon is 12 atomic mass unit, and that of nitrogen is 14 atomic mass unit, and that of the chlorine is 35.5 atomic mass unit. So try to remember the atomic mass of these 5 elements. Okay. Now we will see what is formula unit mass. Formula unit mass. Okay. The formula unit mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all atoms in a formula unit of a compound. The formula unit mass of a substance is a sum of the atomic masses of all atoms. Sum of atomic masses of all atoms in a formula unit of a compound. Okay, children, the formula unit mass is calculated in the same way as we calculate the molecular mass. But the only difference is this formula unit mass is used for those substances whose constituent particles are ions. Or we can say, in case of ionic compounds, we can use this formula unit mass, that of molecular mass. Molecular mass is used in case of covalent compounds. The term molecular mass is used in case of covalent compounds, whereas the term formula unit mass is used in case of ionic compounds. The way of calculating is same for both formula unit mass as well as molecular mass. Okay, units are also same, but only difference is the formula unit mass is used in case of the compounds where the ions are the constituent particles. But the molecular mass is used in case of the covalent compounds. Okay, we'll see how to calculate the formula unit mass with examples. Now we will calculate the formula unit mass of sodium chloride. NaCl is the chemical formula of sodium chloride. It is ionic compound. This is ionic compound, and this sodium chloride is made up of two ions, sodium cation and chloride ion, that is chlorine anion. These two are the constituents of sodium chloride and they are ions. Therefore, in this case, instead of molecular mass, we are using the term formula unit mass. So now, to calculate the formula unit mass, we should know the atomic mass of the respective elements. Okay, see here. Now, atomic mass of sodium is, we know that atomic number of the sodium is 11. Almost atomic mass will be double the atomic number. So, atomic mass of sodium is actually 23 atomic mass unit. It may vary in 1 or 2 points or in points. Okay. Next, atomic mass of chlorine. It is 35.5 atomic mass unit. Okay. Now, we will calculate the formula. Now, we will calculate the formula unit mass of sodium chloride. Okay. Now, we have to count the number of sodium atoms. Here, only one sodium atom is there. So, 1 into atomic mass of sodium plus, here count the number of chlorine atoms. Only one chlorine atom is there. So, 1 into atomic mass of chlorine. Okay. Now, we will put the values. 1 into atomic mass of sodium, that is 23, plus 1 into atomic mass of chlorine, that is 35.5. We will get 23 plus 35.5 is equals to 58.5 atomic mass unit. Okay. Here the way we calculate the molecular mass is same as that of the formula unit mass. The manner in which we are calculating the formula unit mass and the molecular mass are same, but the difference is the term formula unit mass is used in case of the ionic compounds or the compounds which are made which are having the constituent particles as a ions. Okay, but molecular mass is used in case of the covalent compounds. Okay, we will see one more example for formula unit mass. How to calculate the formula unit mass, that is calcium chloride. Okay, see here, atomic mass of, this is calcium chloride is a ionic compound and it is made up of two ions, calcium cation and chloride ion, that is chlorine anion. They are the ions and they are the constituent particles of this calcium chloride. So, we will see atomic mass of calcium is 40. Actually, atomic number of calcium is 20. So, it's double. Atomic mass is double the atomic number. So, 40 atomic mass unit. We will see atomic mass of chlorine. It is 35.5 unit. 35.5 atomic mass unit. So, we will calculate the formula unit mass is equals to, count the number of calcium atoms. Only one calcium atom is there. So, 1 into 1 into atomic mass of calcium plus, here 2 chlorine atoms are there. So, 2 into atomic mass of chlorine. Okay, here 2 chlorine atoms are there, but only one calcium atom is there. So 1 into atomic mass of calcium plus 2 into atomic mass of chlorine. So 1 into 40 atomic mass unit plus 2 into 35.5 atomic mass unit. Okay, this is equals to 40 plus here 10, 11, 2 3s are 71 atomic mass unit. Okay, now we are going to add this one. See here, 2 5s are 10. Okay, we'll get 111 unified mass. This is the formula unit mass of calcium chloride. Children, like this we have to calculate the molecular mass and formula unit mass. The way we calculate the molecular mass and formula unit mass is different. The only difference is the term formula unit mass is used in case of the ionic compounds, whereas the term molecular mass is used in case of the covalent compounds. So children, I will send some more examples, some more chemical compounds that you have to calculate the formula unit mass and molecular mass. In next class we will see mole concept.